Have you ever wondered how all of us, human beings, started from a single cell? Let's delve into the fascinating journey of human creation, a journey that begins with just one tiny cell. It's a complex and awe-inspiring process, a testament to the sheer wonder of life. Picture this: everything that makes you uniquely you, all the intricacies and details of your existence, all started from a single microscopic cell. This cell contains something very special, a blueprint for your life, your DNA. DNA, or deoxyribonucleic acid, is like a set of instructions that dictates everything from the color of your eyes to the shape of your nose, even your personality traits. It's an incredibly detailed and complex code that's unique to each and every one of us. So next time you look in the mirror, remember the remarkable journey you've embarked on, right from that first cell. It's fascinating to think that we all began as a single microscopic cell, isn't it? So, how does this single cell transform into a complex human being? Well, the answer lies in a process we call cell division. Imagine the cell as a self-replicating factory, constantly dividing and duplicating its internal components. This division is not simply a halving, but rather an intricate dance of replication and separation. Each division results in two identical daughter cells, each with the same genetic material as the original. Now, consider this process repeating. One cell divides into two. Those two cells divide into four. Four become 8, and so forth. This exponential multiplication is the fundamental process that drives human growth and development. But it's not just about quantity. Each cell has a special role to play. Some become part of your heart, others form your brain, and still others become the skin that covers you. Through continuous divisions, that one cell grows into the billions of cells that make up a human body. It's truly a miracle of division. But how do these cells know what to become? How do they form all the different parts of our body? Let's dive a little deeper into this cellular world. This process, my friends, is known as cellular differentiation. It's like cells going to school and deciding their majors. Some become skin cells, some become heart cells, and others decide to become brain cells. But how does this happen? It's all thanks to a process called differentiation. Each cell contains the same DNA, but not all parts of the DNA are active in every cell. It's like having a cookbook with all the recipes, but only using a few to make tonight's dinner. The DNA, our body's cookbook, holds the instructions for making all the types of cells in our body. But it's the genes, the individual recipes, that determine what each cell will become. The genes that are turned on in a cell determine its function. In a heart cell, the heart genes are on, and in a skin cell, the skin genes are on. This is how our cells know what to do and where to go. They follow the instructions given by the active genes in their DNA. So even though we start as a single cell, we end up as a complex organism with many different types of cells. So the instructions in our DNA guide these cells, telling them what part of the body to form. And yet, the process of human creation doesn't stop with our birth. The spectacle of life continues to unfold in each of us, every moment. Our cells, those diligent workers of life, never cease their labor. They divide and differentiate, tirelessly shaping and reshaping us as we journey through the stages of life. Just as a sculptor chisels away at a block of marble, so too does cell division and differentiation gradually carve out our form, repairing wounds, replacing old cells, and even helping us grow stronger and taller. This process is not simply a matter of maintenance. It is the very essence of our existence, the constant dance of life that propels us forward. And let's not forget evolution, that grand designer of life. Over countless generations, it has painstakingly shaped and honed the human form. It's a process of trial and error, survival and adaptation that has led us from our humble beginnings to the apex of life on Earth. Through the subtle interplay of genetics and environment, evolution continues to influence us, refining our form and function and ensuring our survival in an ever-changing world. It's a testament to the marvel of life, the sheer tenacity and ingenuity of nature, that from a single cell we grow and evolve into the complex, unique individuals we are today. Isn't it incredible to think about the journey we've all been on, from a single cell to a fully grown human? Let's take a moment to marvel at the magic of life, our humble single-cell beginnings, the miraculous division of cells, the journey of differentiation, and the stunning result of evolution. We've journeyed through billions of years of development, all to become the complex, fascinating beings we are today. Remember, it all started with a single cell, and look at us now. Isn't biology just amazing? Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Craving more? Hit subscribe and journey with us through the realm of learning. Remember, every thumbs up and every subscription fuels our passion to deliver more. Become part of our learning community today.